Hi guys, welcome back. Another Saturday, another shave. They soon come around those Saturdays, don't they? Hey, once a week, to be honest with you, yeah. But there you go. We've got a good one lined up for you today. Did you see my unboxing? I got some Captain's Choice stuff. I'll try and link that below if I can, and you can watch that and see what I got. But amongst the things that I got, look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Captain's Choice Obsidian. Let's get it the right way up and we'll show it in its best light. Absolutely wonderful. It's a heavy bowl. Real quality. Good little indentation there for the thumb. It's an absolutely superb shape. It's deep. It's going to be a good one, that, guys. And what we're going to be whipping up in that is this one, Captain's Choice Nor'easter. Now, somebody said this is based on Draco Noir. I don't know. What I do know, what I can tell you guys, is it smells absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm using it out of this. Scott from Captain's Choice sent me 3 samples, and this was one of them. A shaving cream. Oh, guys, it reminds me of something, and for the life of me, I cannot think what. But I've put a good healthy dollop in there. Now, I get citrus. It says citrus and lavender, something else. We'll get it in there. We'll get it spread around. I get the citrus. I don't get the lavender and the other notes so much. But it smells to me, I know I've said it before about other stuff, smells to me like if you were to get a bar of really expensive bath soap, you know, and you were to mix it with a really expensive cologne. This would be kind of what you've got. That's you. Oh, in the ballpark, yeah. It does remind me of something. I just can't quite remember. But that's the soap in the bowl. We've got a new stand-in super soaker. Here we go. There you go. John Shaves 101 official mug, standing in as a super soaker. And in that we're going to be putting our Captain's Choice brush. There you go. Absolutely love this, and love this handle. Let's see if the camera will look at that. Highly polished, highly reflective, very individual, absolutely wonderful. We'll get that in some clean warm water there to soak. Got that. We're going to be splashing up with this Nivea Fresh Kick. It is a fresh kick, and there's some citrus in that. I do get a citrus vibe from that. It smells, yes, it does. It smells absolutely fantastic. It smells like citrus and watermelon to me, that. And then we've got some of the matching balm, so that'll be good. We'll balm up with that. The razor blade we're going to be using, Personna Platinum. We'll take those out, and as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're going to be using the most expensive razor that I own. I'll get it for you in a minute. Here it is, absolutely beautiful. Feast your eyes on that. That is the Timeless titanium razor. I think that was an anniversary gift, but I think my wife paid, see the T on the bottom, my wife paid somewhere in the region of £275 for that. But an absolutely beautiful razor, beautiful quality, everything about it. I've just dropped the I'll have to get it after, because as you can see I've got fat fingers and no fingernail. Phone on the floor and I can't pick it up. I'm not going to do it now. Okay, let's open this blade. Here we go. See what we're shaving with. Personna Platinum. It's a really nice looking blade, actually. There's no glue spots on it or anything. And you put that in there. You see the 2 little solid bars there that grip it. And there's the Timeless. That's what that looks like. We'll get that in there. Make sure it's all sitting correct. Will it shave okay? Now there's no little plastic washer. Now there's no little plastic washer to protect that steel and titanium and everything. However am I going to cut? But there you go, that's it. There's the lather channel. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? I really love this scalloped head. And I'm looking if I can get another titanium handle. I'm looking to get titanium handle. So we've put that in there to soak. Put that in there to soak. We'll wet the face and we'll crack on. Oh, got some hot water here. And then let's get this Captain's Choice inaugural shave underway. You'll see it as I see it. Both first time use for these. Isn't that a wonderful? Right, straight away. That soap, the scent strength, I would put it at about 6.5. But like the last one I used, last soap I used, you can smell it straight away. It's aromatic. Yeah, wow. Look at this. Not been going long. Not been going long at all. I made them absolutely wonderful, but you can smell it. I just wish I could remember what it reminded me of. But there you go. We've not been going long, and look at this. Absolutely lovely. And that'll do us. I don't normally bowl lather. I like to face lather me. I do. I must admit, I do like to face lather. You bowl lather like this. Let's give that brush a go. Yeah, it's driving me up the wall as to what it reminds me of. I've never had Draco Noir. I don't think I've ever had it, or certainly not this. Certainly not this millennium. But if you can figure out, please let me know in the comments what you think it smells like. You may just trigger something in my memory. But look at that, guys. Very rich, very thick lather. I think I put a bit too much water in it because there was a lot of water in that brush. But there's a menthol kick in this. It's very hot outside today. Here we go. TI, can you see it there? Titanium TI95 it is. It's an excellent shave of this. Yeah, absolutely excellent. I don't remember using these blades before. But I'm using something you think, why are you using menthol in winter, in the cold months? But do you know what, guys? I like those months. I'm not a summer person. Even when I was young and skinny, I wasn't a summer person. I do not like the heat. I do not function very well in the heat at all. I really don't. I had a job a few years ago. I used to mould plastics and make stillages and pallets and moulded plastic pallets for the automotive industry. And I would have to stand at this big machine. And there was a heater on the top and a heater on the bottom, and I would insert a sheet of plastic about 1 inch thick, and the heaters would melt it, and then compressed air would come and stop it from melting into the heaters. Oh, and guys, I had to leave. I wasn't there, and it was one of the best paid jobs I've ever had. But I had to leave because the heat, I mean, it was like 95, 96 degrees. We were working 12-hour shifts. But anyway, back to the shaves. How are you doing? Are you all ready for the weekend? Please let me know what your SOTD is. Now, on every other channel, the SOTD, as you know, is the shave of the day. Not on John's channel. On this channel, guys, the SOTD is the slurp of the day. We've worked all week, we have a little slurp of beverage at the weekend. Let me know what your slurp is. You can let me know what your shave is as well. But I really not like to know what your slurp of the day is too. Let me know if you use this nor'easter, what you think it smells like. Yeah. Well, there's still plenty. I'll try and get it gathered up. Not even touched it, there's still, you can all the way around it in there you can. But this bowl is fantastic. I just don't want to. I've had ceramics through the post before, and I've got to be honest with you guys, without exception, they've all broke. Well, actually, from the UK, the Giles shaving bowls didn't, but that's the only one anything further afield in the UK, and they've all broken. That's why I don't want to pay all that money for a Captain's Choice ceramic bowl and get it shipped all the way over here, only for it to arrive in 4 pieces when it should just be in 1, shouldn't it? Let me know too what you think of this razor, timeless titanium. I'm filming this on a Friday, only and simply because I've got a busy day tomorrow and I want this up nice and early, because I'll probably be up nice and early. I'm not going to have time to film this tomorrow. What I tend to do when I film the shaves during the week, I tend to rush through. I'm just trying to, like I've said it before, just trying to slow it down, you know. So anyway, I was going to say, oh yeah, look. I bought that, and I bought that. Van der Hagen shaving cream, look, self-heating shaving cream, and the aftershave balm. Self-heating shaving cream. You rub it and it warms up, guys. It's absolute garbage. I put it on my face last week to test it, and it's like UPVC glue, and it is just like glue, like white sticky glue. And what you do is you put the glue on, and then you wet your fingers and you rub it in, and it doesn't create a lather, it goes clear, and you shave on the residual slickness. It's absolute garbage. Van der Hagen should be ashamed of themselves. £11 I paid for those two. And I'll tell you right now, I might do a video about it on Monday, but when I finish, both of them are going straight in the bin. The aftershave balm smells like chemicals. It's like when you walk past an old chemical plant and you get a sniff of all the chemicals they've ever used, ever. It's like that, you know, like like warm plastic. Oh, it's horrible. Van der Hagen, you should be ashamed of yourself selling that stuff. Absolutely. But anyway, so let me know in the comments. I might make a video on Monday, because I'm off on Monday. We have like a little incentive thing at work, and basically you can nominate each other if you think somebody's done something worthwhile or worthy of note, or gone that extra mile. And my supervisor very kindly nominated me, and everybody gets nominated, you know. Everybody's names, about 20 or 30 names go in this hat, and somebody gets asked to pull a name out, and that person wins a spin in the wheel. Well, I got asked to pull a name out, and it was all legit, I promise you guys. You know, I did the whole thing and pulled my own name out. And they said, oh, you can spin on the wheel. And you come with a breakfast, or you come with a cup of coffee, or you come with an extra 10, you can start 10 minutes late, or finish 10 minutes early or so on. And I spun the wheel. And I won a day off with pay. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. And they very graciously let me take it on Monday. So I came into work, I was like, Friday, here we go again. Can't wait for the weekend. And like within an hour, I was like, yes, day off with pay. Here we go. Lather mittens. Look at this. Like I said, I think I put a bit too much water in that, guy. But what a lovely, rich. Oh. Do you know when I'm going to remember what this reminds me of, don't you? In a minute, I stop recording. But it's very, very slick. And it smells fantastic. And he's done an absolutely superb job. And I will certainly be buying some. Nor'easter. Absolutely wonderful scent. And that is our shave, guys. That's us. Oh, there you go. Get us all dried off. Ready for the big lean in. Are you ready? Just give the ladies a chance to get a bit closer to the TV and the screens. Are you ready? Look at this, look. Absolutely wonderful. Do you know what, guys? There's nothing, not a hair, nothing. Timeless. And that platinum blade, do you know, from memory, I think I've only used the Personna blade like that once before, and from memory I didn't get the greatest of shaves. I don't know why I've got that memory on my mind, but let me know what you think of the Personna blades. Okay, here we go. Nivea Fresh Kick Aftershave. Was looking for this all over, couldn't find it anywhere. And then Stuart George sent me a link. Thank you, Stuart. Said, yeah, John, they're selling it here. Oh, yes. Oh, you get that burst of citrus. Oh, it goes very well. Very well with that soap, guys. Very well indeed. And then we'll put some of this nutrition back in the skin. Nivea Fresh Kick Balm, look. We're going Nivea type. It lent itself really well. I was going to get some of the Nor'easter aftershave, but the shipping over here, so oh yeah, wow. And you see the balm smells like the aftershave. So we'll put some of that nutrition and that hydration back in there. And that's us. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Had some new subscribers, thank you for that. Had a lovely shout out of Chris at IamCDB in his video today. Thank you, Chris. I listened to it in the van, I'll comment on it later. Look after yourselves, everybody. Remember, be the change you wish to see in the world. Here's another one for you. No, there isn't, it's gone. But you know what? Be nice, and I will see you. I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Unless I decide to do a little bonus with that garbage down there. Take it easy, guys. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. See you next week.